Guys, if you are tired of hearing, you need experience, you need IELTS, or you need a university degree before you can move abroad, then don't sleep on this opportunity. Because Estonia is quietly becoming one of the most strategic immigration destinations for non-EU workers in 2026. And the craziest part? Some companies are processing work permits in as little as 30 days. Now listen carefully, guys. While everybody is rushing to Canada, UK, and Germany, smart people are targeting Estonia. Why? Because Estonia has a serious worker shortage right now. And they need foreign workers. Construction workers. Caregivers. Factory workers. Hospitality staff. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because one small mistake can delay your visa for months. So why is Estonia hiring foreigners aggressively? Simple. Population problem. Estonia has a small population. Around 1.3 million people. And guys, the workforce is shrinking. Young people are moving to other European countries. At the same time, Estonia is growing fast in tech, logistics, manufacturing, and tourism. That means companies cannot find enough workers locally. And when a country cannot fill jobs locally, they open doors to foreign workers. That is exactly what is happening right now. Now here is the mind-blowing part. Estonia is one of the most digital countries in the world. Everything is online. Applications. Residence permits. Work registrations. Even government services. That makes immigration faster compared to many countries. Many Estonian companies are already used to hiring international staff, especially from Africa and Asia. So if you have been feeling stuck, this might be your opening. Priority sectors and salary. 1. Warehouse and logistics. This sector is booming because Estonia is heavily connected to European trade routes. Popular roles include warehouse picker, forklift operator, packaging assistant, delivery assistant. Average salary between €1,200 and €2,000 monthly. Some overtime jobs can even push higher. 2. Construction. Guys, Estonia is building non-stop. Roads, apartments, commercial buildings. And they urgently need workers. Popular jobs include general laborer, painter, welder, electrician assistant, carpenter helper. Average salary around €1,500 to €3,000 monthly depending on experience. Some skilled welders earn even more. This sector is one of the fastest ways to secure sponsorship. 3. Hospitality and cleaning. This is where many first-time migrants start. Hotels and restaurants constantly hire kitchen assistants, hotel cleaners, waiters, dishwashers, housekeeping staff. Average salary around €1,000 to €1,800 monthly plus tips and bonuses in some places. And again, many employers do not ask for IELTS. They just want reliable workers. 4. Caregiving and health support. Estonia has an aging population. That means increasing demand for caregivers and support workers. Jobs include elderly caregiver, nursing assistant, disability support worker. Average salary between €1,300 and €2,500 monthly. Now for some caregiving roles, basic experience helps. But not every employer requires a nursing degree. 5. Tech and IT support. This one is huge. Remember, Estonia is called Europe's digital powerhouse. Companies are hiring IT support staff, junior developers, customer support agents, data analysts, cybersecurity assistants. Average salary anywhere from €2,500 to €5,000 monthly. Now let's talk requirements. And this is where many people panic unnecessarily. Because Estonia's process is actually simpler than you think. 1. Valid passport. You need a valid international passport. Make sure it has enough validity remaining. At least 1 year is safer. 2. Job offer. You need an employer willing to sponsor your work permit. This is the most important step. Without a job offer, you cannot proceed. 3. Basic English. Guys, no IELTS for many jobs. Most employers only want basic communication skills. Especially for warehouse, hospitality, and factory roles. 4. Clean criminal record. You may need police clearance depending on your country. Nothing complicated. Just stay honest in your application. 5. Age and health. Most applicants are between 18 and 45 years old. And you may need basic medical insurance. That's it. This is why people are quietly using Estonia as a smart entry point into Europe. Alright guys. Here's the exact roadmap you should follow. Step 1. Prepare a European-style CV. Do not use your local CV format. Use a clean European CV. 1 or 2 pages max. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Now these are the official and trusted websites you should check regularly. workinestonia.com, linkedin.com, europa.eu/eures, tootukassa.ee. Guys, use official portals whenever possible. Step 3. Attend online interviews. Most interviews happen online. Usually through Zoom or Google Meet. Keep your answers simple. Be confident. Employers mainly want dependable workers. Step 4. Receive your job contract. Once selected, the employer sends your contract. This is the golden document. Read everything carefully. Step 5. Apply for your visa or residence permit. Now this is where Estonia moves fast. Some work permit approvals happen within 30 days depending on the employer and workload. Guys, this is not fantasy. People are already doing this. Quietly. Every single month. So guys, would you actually move to Estonia in 2026? And which sector interests you most? Drop your country and preferred sector in the comments right now. I read the comments seriously. And if this video helped you even a little, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. And turn on notifications because I'm dropping more strategic immigration opportunities that most people are still sleeping on. Your next opportunity might literally be one video away. And remember guys. Move smart. Move strategically. And never stop chasing global opportunities.